Hello and welcome. You're watching The Maid Company, and my name is Leeanne Roose. If you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hey guys, we are doing a cleaning at a client's house, and we are on our way right now. We still have 28 minutes to go. Hey guys, how are you? Thank you so much for watching to this point. Please like and subscribe to show your support and to see other content just like this. And until next time, stay safe.
Home Sweet Home by Leeanne Roose.
Your home is your greatest asset. It is your comfort, protector, and your shield. It's the place you go when the world gets too loud and you just want to hide. Care for your home as it cares for you.